How to zoom in and out in WavePad timeline. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to work with by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio file is loaded into the editor, look at the timeline area where the waveform is displayed. To zoom in on the timeline for a closer view of the waveform, you can use the zoom controls located usually near the timeline. Look for the magnifying glass icons with the plus and minus symbols. Alternatively, you can zoom in and out by scrolling your mouse wheel, scroll up to zoom in, and scroll down to zoom out. You can also find zoom options under the view menu or toolbar, where you can select presets like zoom in, zoom out, or zoom to selection. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in and out in the WavePad timeline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.